Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a pretty sweet 1967 real RS Camaro. This is a really neat car. New paint on it, brand new wheels and tires, and restored to its factory correct color combination. White with the Black Deluxe RS interior. And on the 67s, you can tell by the trim tag whether this was a real RS, and it indeed was a real RS.
So many clones out there in RSs and SSs. It's a nice car.
It is nice under the hood.
We just had this one painted, so it's got brand new paint on it. We sold this car about 7 years ago as a nice driver back then, but it needed paint back then, and you know, the guy never did it, just drove it, enjoyed it, and so as soon as we bought it like 4 months ago, took it right to the body shop, and it's been sitting there waiting to get done. So you drove this one back, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Drove back 15 miles. It really drives nice. Really good looking engine compartment too. So on our check-in sheet, this engine's been planed and decked when it was rebuilt. So we weren't able to make out exactly what duration of a Chevy small block it was, but it is a small block Chevy. It's got a nice sounding cam in it, headers, quick car, fun to drive, power steering, power brakes. They upgraded and went with the MSD ignition, aluminum radiator. Really built this thing right.
Yeah, and the paint job turned out great. It's
did.
had one paint job its entire life. It went from white to green, and now it's back to white. The only thing I really realized is did it have just two little pieces. I don't know if I'd fix the whole grill. You can actually get a little parts grill or something and re-glue that in. But isn't that a good looking car?
It is. It's got the front spoiler, correct black RS stripe, hideaway headlights.
This is my favorite Camaro that we have right now in the lot.
It is too. It's just really sharp, and I like. We did this wheel and tire setup on a '69 white with the black RS stripe before, and I really liked it. And I like it a lot too. It just makes it pop, you know.
And then that bottom chrome, being an RS car, you know, it just looks great with those chrome wheels.
It does.
So the wheels and tires are brand new. You got disc brakes up the front.
Yep.
Back of the hood, Dalton lines up pretty good. I mean, really not bad at all right there.
Glass is good and clear.
Look at the top of the dash too. I mean, you know, we didn't do this. This is just how clean this car always has been. This is a deluxe interior car. The top of the dash, the dash pad is absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know if you've seen that. I found that in the glove box. That's the original one with a VIN number on it.
Oh, that's cool. You can just tell from driving this thing, it's probably a real low mileage original car.
Rubbers are excellent. Door panels, it's got the deluxe door panels and that deluxe interior with that white in it. I mean, this car has it all.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah, it's very sharp.
And not a power glide. You got the 3-speed automatic, which is super important as well.
Nice.
Another radio delete car, Dalton.
Yeah.
I said something about the dash I shouldn't have. I seen it now. You get two little tiny cracks up here. On the passenger
It looks like
side.
they've been fixed, but
yeah, they've been repaired, but you can still see it a little bit. Danny did a great job on the jams too. So the door jamb paint, doors were taken off, hood and trunk was taken off.
Back seat and the headliner is really nice as well.
And all those lights work back there too. That carpet it's old. You know, I'm not saying it's the original, but it very well could be. Do you see how it's kind of faded all the way through?
Yep.
This door fits great. Driver's side door needs some adjustment to be perfect, but like I said, they're an old car. Undercarriage on this one looked great as well. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the frame rails, the floor pans, trunk, all that kind of stuff, because this is a good one.
It is. Back bumper looks like it could be the original. Looks really good, but when you look
Tail
up
light
close,
trim's nice as well.
Yeah.
RS, Dalt. RS has always had these as well.
Lights,
I mean, even in, you know, and it's got all the right RS stuff. It's even got the original gas cap. Jams are painted. Like I said, this is the freshest one to our inventory right now, and I think the nicest.
Yeah, and it helps being a real RS, you know. But yeah, really quality car.
It's got a car cover. It comes with it. So that's nice. Really nothing to talk about.
Sail panel area is good.
This door here, And here's the big thing, though. It's not just pushing in. It needs
Up and in.
See, it'll go up perfect. I just need to make sure you talk to your salesman. We'll make sure we put a bushing kit in it, because that's all it needs. You see how it goes up?
Yeah.
We should have did that. He missed it at the body shop. But
Yeah, we should have. But
that's all it needs.
yeah, good car. Recorders are good. Again, there's not much to point out because it's fresh paint, but did a good job with it. Door panels are excellent.
Little crack right there, D-Bird.
Oh yeah.
Original door panel, though.
Nice.
So, I mean, you can have it.
And it's right, and it's somewhere where you're not,
Yeah,
you
you
don't
can't even
notice
see
it.
hardly,
So.
but you could have it fixed if you want. Seats are good, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
So we take this thing for a rip. I love the RS steering wheel. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Andy did a hell of a job detailing it too, especially after new paint, you know?
Yeah.
They always get so damn dirty from the paint shops. Check out that corner of that door on the inside, will you? Show them that. See that? That's nice as well.
Yeah.
Interior pieces, the little chrome's got a few little scratches, but all in all nice. Start's good. Before we do that, we'll see if the fan works. Perfect, huh? Fan works perfect. Wiper blades are great. Wipers work great. Again, the top of that dash paint is gorgeous. There's no surface rust, no issues. This car's been kept inside. Whether it's 41,000, 141,000, pretty
Hard to
sure it's
say.
not 241.
Yeah.
Console's really nice. Like I said, you still have the original owner's manual. It's never been chewed by a mouse. This is all nice. It's got a horn button just because, you know, this is missing the spring in it, but the steering wheel's so nice. I mean, gorgeous steering wheel. Oil pressure, 50 pounds at an idle.
And I like that.
Goes up to 75, actually 85 pounds.
And I like that cam and the exhaust that this has. This really good sounding car. And I think you'll like how it goes down the road too. I did when I drove it.
Gas gauge works. It's responsive.
It is.
And this is just one to, if you guys give us a call on this one, I don't even know if we have to run anything through our shop on it. Lights, fluids, and it's ready. We just got it through the shop before detail, fixed a bunch of little tiny little things on it, wheels, tires, and got it ready to go. Oh, we forgot to tell them too, hideaway headlights work.
Yep.
Right?
Good.
So.
Yeah.
It sends you right back right now. Look at the
does.
brakes.
The brakes were good. And it's got some good gears too. Where
Power disc are perfect, no pull left or right. I'm impressed with this one, D.
I am too. I like it. Ha.
Those are 18s back there.
It
and
breaks
they'll
them loose.
spin them. See what she does, huh? Like you said, listen to that thumpity thump.
Yeah.
I like it.
Chirping going into second there.
Look at that thing.
Up into third.
Shifted into third at 80.
Yeah, speedometer works.
But it's fast.
It
I mean,
is.
and it's low. I don't want to.
It's like a good
sales, but it's
mid-gear.
probably like a 323
Yeah.
or 308.
Yeah.
But it still has that
A lot of
enough.
torque.
It's got enough horsepower on that engine to still spin the tires and give it some
Yeah.
good power.
Yeah, it's got the right gearing where you can still have fun, you know, squeal tires from a takeoff. But yeah, you can drive this thing down the interstate and it's not wrapping out.
Hey, what about the choice of wheels? Not just the look, but the size of them as far as the steering
Yeah.
is awesome. No rub. Here we go. That's right from drive.
Yep, chirps them.
There's 60, 70, 80, shift, 85.
It's a cool car.
This thing's fast.
It is. I should have took this on that power tour. This would have been perfect.
This would have worked great. I told you to, but you're like, it doesn't have a radio. Remember you were being a little baby about it.
I know, I ended up taking one without a radio anyway.
Yeah, I mean, this would have been great.
It would have been perfect. Really good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching.
Hey, one more thing, D. Whoever gets this one, I guarantee it'll be freaking
They'll have,
super, super happy. It's a great car. So
it is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.